Welcome to the installation guide of Fishbone Off-Road Skid Plate for Toyota's 2016 to current Tacoma. Step 1. Lift your vehicle and support it with jack stands. With a 12mm socket, begin removing the 4 front skid plate bolts. Followed by removing the 6 bolts from your crash bars with an 18mm socket. Step 2. Loosely resecure a factory crash bar bolt as shown, and secure the auxiliary mounting bracket with the second. Then, with a 12mm socket, remove the 4 bolts from each rear crash bar. Step 3. With the help of a friend, begin loosely securing the large center plate with factory hardware by aligning it around the exhaust. Continue to support the plates, and with the center support and included hardware, loosely connect the rear plate to the mounting bracket. Followed by the front skid plate with both the included and factory hardware. Finally, secure all the hardware with a 12mm socket, 18mm socket, and a 17mm socket and wrench, and you're done.